Good morning. Got my Eagles mug this morning. Go Birds. It's a beautiful, slightly brisk day here in Philly. I wish I had gloves on when I walked Olivia this morning. It was pretty cold. We got some jazz on. The babies are hungry. Everybody's super cuddly and happy this morning. Apona's back there just having some water. Mama's over here having some kibble. Hope y'all are having a good morning. Oh, let me say good morning to everybody. Sorry, I didn't see people coming in. Whoops, good morning. Hold on, here we go. General speech, good morning. What's up, fam? Spitfire, what up? Kindly Prune, good morning. Eugene Farmer, good morning. Equivalent Cream, good morning. CJ, good morning. Chris Marie, good morning. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hopeful Revenue, good morning. Good to see you. Is that, yo, BG Monster, what up, fam? Yo, good to see you. How you doing, BZ? Roto Castiza, good morning, fam. Get you a better angle here. BZ Monster, thank you for the all-seeing upvote. All-seeing upvote. Appreciate that. I get a sip of coffee before they start going crazy, and I can't. Snoo, come get some. They have kibble all the time now, so I feel like they really don't even eat. They don't go frantic for the wet food. We always have 2 big bowls of kibble here. And then their water over there. So they have plenty of food. But it seems like they're not as into the wet food as they used to be. Hi, Donda. Good morning. Say good morning to everybody, Donda. Won't say anything about ladies of the other countries. Wait, what happened? What did I miss? Hi, Snow. Hi, Princess. Hold on, everybody's starting to come onto my lap now. Yo, Rolf! Yo! Platypus, good to see you again. Yeah, oh, I'm sorry, today is their 12-week, so they're 3 months old today. 12 weeks old today. Thank you for the silver, Channa. They are 12 weeks old today. Good morning, Bumbling. Oh, what's up? Oregon Ray Girl, good morning. Mama. I was just waiting her turn. She lets everybody eat theirs first. Those are num nums. Let me see if I can get Donda. Couple of good morning, fam. Here we go, ready? No, 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 no. CJ, thanks for the silver. What's up, Silver? Come on. Barry Reeve, good morning, fam. Silver eyes, too. Does he have silver eyes? Itty bitty, thanks for the silver. What are those silver? Like gray eyes? What's that? Who this? Is that Apona? Apona, good morning. Good morning, my little dude. This is Apona. He's my little dude. He's my little dude. He's a dangerous lion. Yes. Yes. You get the burpees? Do you have the burpees? Yeah. Hi, Foxy. Good morning. Foxy. Oh, happy Friday. Oh, I forgot it was Friday. Yo, what are y'all doing today? What are y'all up to this weekend? Oh, no, I just want my coffee. Well, maybe not, Rodo. Going on a jet plane, writing and distressing. Chemistry test, huh? How'd that go? What is done? Ow! 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 Y'all are out of control this morning already. Please stop. Foxy, you need to chill. Heading out of town to visit your parents for a holiday? That's awesome, completely. You won, Donda. 2 weeks vacay starts today. Oh, Trish is on vacation for like a full week today. Or wait, starting, after today. 2 weeks, wait, a week. No, a week, a full week, yeah. So we're gonna have some fun and get some projects done around the house. Ow! Snow? Snow, what up, though? What up, Slothy? What up, fam? What up, bro? What are you doing? Yo, I gotta be honest. Sloth, I don't even know how to pronounce your... I hope that everybody knows that we're talking about you when I, say sloth. Because I never say elephant ballet... Is that how you say that? Elephant ballet mat? I just call him Sloth. If I ever say Sloth in the chat, I'm talking to Elephant Ballet Matt. Ballet? 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 Ballet. I just want to know how to pronounce it. Donda, you need some chill, bro. You need a little bit of chill. I need a jetpack, thanks to Silver. I like your screen name. Yo, Sloth, did you see the live stream of a sloth in Australia yesterday? It was a sloth. It was like a baby sloth being born in Australia or something like that. It was on Arpan. Wait, is this Epona? No, this is wait, this is Epona. This is Epona. I heard about it. Yeah, and Snooze over here. Hold on. Oh, here we go. What's up, Phantom? Good morning, fam. Snoo. Oh god, here we go. Snoo is such an instigator. Baby sloths are really cute. Hey Sloth, were you cute as a baby? Scamper, thanks for this. Yo, Foxy Tail, good morning, fam. Oh! Thelhundinkin, thanks for the silver. I don't know how to say your name. Skull Games, thanks for the wholesome. Oh wait, hold up. Where are you at? What's up, bud? Say hi. So they are 12 weeks old today, 3 months old. I can't believe it. We're doing our Christmas card photo shoot tonight. Ow. We're doing our Christmas card photo shoot tonight, and then Frances gets spayed tomorrow, so we have to drop her off in the morning. I'm pretty nervous about that. I'll feel so much better once her and Snoo, because they're the highest risk. Prophet of the Pants, thanks for the silver. Let's put on some, this morning we're listening to winter night jazz music. Let's try some good mood jazz. All right, here we go. Yeah, once Frances... Victor, thank you for silver. Once Frances is fixed, everybody's fixed, I'll feel so much better. I heard cats can inbreed if you don't get them fixed. Good morning, HR. What up, bro? HR, good to see you. Don't be too rough. Thank you for the 100 upvotes. Don't be too rough. They're all... Yeah, they're 12 weeks old today. They are over 2 pounds. Thanks, Loon, thanks for the helpful. Mama. Alright, come on. I see we have some new faces here, so for anybody that doesn't know, this is Frances. She's the mama. She was a pregnant stray that came in our backyard through a hole in the fence. and Reddit fell in love with her, and we got her inside August 25th, and August 27th, she went into labor live on Reddit, and had all these babies live on Reddit. You can actually go back and watch that broadcast if you go back to my profile on Reddit. And we've been broadcasting pretty much every day since, keeping up with her progress. You see General Speech in the chat dropping our Discord link. FrancisandFamily.com will take you to our Discord if you want some more info or updates, or if you want to join our community and get notified when we go live. So it's turned into like the Truman Show of cats, and we're just kind of like, hey, back down the hill again. This is Snoo, everybody's favorite Snoo. Have you been looking for adopters? They look big enough to go to their forever homes. So we want to keep Mama and some of the kittens. We don't know exactly what we're doing yet because we've fallen in love with all of them. But yeah, once they're spayed and neutered and everything like that, which we're currently in the process of, then we will. I don't know. I'm not good with this part, and I'm like trying to be rational while also like trying to be like, all right, maybe I'm supposed to have all these cats. Do you know what I mean? Patrick, thanks for heartwarming. Maybe this is my destiny to have 6 cats, right? Like, can we talk about this rationally? Is 6 cats like absolutely insane? I was gonna go on Ask Reddit and just be like, on the Ask Reddit subreddit, and just be like, is it realistically? Is it like, you know, is that bad? None of this was planned. We didn't think this was going to happen, y'all. We just fell in love with a stray, and then she had babies, and we thought that we were just gonna be able to like give them up, and then we fell in love with them, and oh God, what are you even doing back there? 6 cats is not insane if you keep them all happy and healthy in a clean house. 6 cats, and then the next comment is 6 cats is insane. Thanks for 150 upvotes. They're beautiful, but 6 cats is a lot, and I'm a cat person. There's no such thing as too many cats until you can't afford all of them, right? This community has helped us so much. Oh my God, y'all raised over $4,000 for us for everything for the cats. So like they're all taken care of right now. Hold on, guys, could y'all get into a position where I could like have some kind of, this is insanity right now. Just having 4. I know people who have 6 cats who are not hoarders in any way irresponsible. They have a house that's big enough and enough time to do all the cleaning and feeding and loving. Oh. Well, if you want to jump in our Discord, our Francis and family, rich intuition. You know what? Me and my girlfriend Trish were just talking about this morning. You'd be amazed how much it doesn't smell in here. I mean, like, it blows my mind. It does not smell, and it's not like because we're conditioned to it. It doesn't smell in here. Don't know why. Can't figure it out. They also don't meow. They're like magical cats. Good morning, probably not possum. But anyway, if you want to help us co-parent and co-raise these cats and get updates, join our Discord. Gazer, thanks for the wholesome. I'll drop the link to the Discord now. Oh, actually, here we go. I gotta type it. Whoops. Pardon me. I'm typing it, sorry. Pardon my typing. Here we go. There we go. Yo, what's up, PK Ripper? My dude. What up, homie? Good to see you, man. Are you running today? Ink. Fox Prince, thank you for that. Anyway, I just dropped a Discord. Yo, Cat Lord, thanks for the wholesome pro. I dropped the Discord link in the chat. It's also in the pin post of my profile, and we have social links on my profile on Reddit now. What are y'all doing over there? All right. Don't try it. I know what you're thinking. Don't do it. I had to move the lamp because they were like trying to play on it and knock it over. Sam, thanks for the wholesome, or the heartwarming. Oh, debatable. Since I'm building my gym downstairs, I might get a plant of workout in. I'll be there. Aw, chaotic idealism. That's amazing. Give them scritches for me. Wait, what was that? A cute carrot? I've never seen that. Bacon. Arctic bacon. What is that? What's the cute carrot? I've never seen that. And guys, I'm not going to encourage downvotes. What I'm going to say is this is the best we've ever done so far. 238 upvotes and no downvotes. I know we're going to get them, but the ratio is beautiful. I'm not asking for upvotes. Do not, I know you're not, that's against our pen. I'm simply saying the ratio, normally, it's like a good couple downvotes. Anyway, I love you guys. Thanks for the 238 upvotes. Unless, you know what I heard? YouTube is taking away the down button, the down, or the dislike. Is that true? Did y'all hear that? Golden Waterfall. Thank you for the heartwarming. Oh, bumbling. Have a good time. Yeah, get them. We were. Oh, here they come. I shouldn't have said anything. They are not taking away. You just won't be able to see the downvote count as a viewer. Oh, I didn't know that. So fantastic. Thank you for the baby snoo. Turboy, thank you for the silver. Swung ED, thank you for the helpful. Yeah, Mama was a pregnant stray. Back down the hill. Thank you for the cute carrot. What's this cute carrot award? I've never seen it before today. Is that new? Thank you for the 300 upvotes. Anyway, all right, let's keep it groovy and positive in here. I like that somebody downvoted and then took it away. I love y'all. Anyway, everybody in the chat, let's throw down something we're grateful for this morning. Yo, thank you for the cake, CJ. I am grateful for a nice, cool, beautiful day in Philadelphia. I'm grateful for a nice, positive morning with my girlfriend. I'm grateful for this beautiful community and for having a warm cup of coffee and some kitties on my lap right now that are not raging in the corner like these guys, like these maniacs. Wait, what did y'all just give me? Hold on. What is Santa? There's a Santa Paws? Sam, keep it groovy. I appreciate that. Yo, there's a Santa Paws award. That's the first one I got. I want to screenshot that. Hold on, I'm gonna share that in the chat. In our Discord. I've never seen that before. Artie Bacon, thank you for the boop to Snoop. Yeah, litter boxes, of course. Nursey girl, thank you for the wholesome. Welcome, thank you for the wholesome. Alright, here we go. So let's try to get Dawn Division going here. Ready? Here we go. Oh. Grateful that I made it through Chicago traffic this morning. I hear that. Oh, nice jazz. Thank you. Whoop. I love you, Donda. Oh, there we go. There we go. I'm grateful because the ban was a mistake. I sincerely upset. Yo, I saw that. I saw people talking about that and helping you out with that. Roto, I'm so glad because I was like, Roto doesn't say anything wrong. Roto wouldn't get banned in here. What was that? I'm grateful that my husband is on his way home right now, and he and I will be. Oh, he'll be home for more than a week. That's awesome. Probably not possible. Mole man, thank you, Silver. Nick, thanks for the helpful. Join our Discord community, Francis M Family Discord. Come share your fur baby and get daily updates on Francis and Family and get notified when we go live here on Reddit. I'm dropping the link in the chat now, francisandfamily.com. Love you. All right. Ooh. I'm grateful that fostering kitty owl dental work went well and healing up. Whoa. Yo, chaotic idealism. You should join our Discord and share that story in our fur baby channel because that's so cool. You're fostering a kitty owl, an owl. So it's a baby owl. That's so cool. I think our community would really love that. Beautiful AF, thanks for heartwarming. What jazz is this? It's called, hold on. It's called Smooth Jazz Morning Coffee Shop. Smooth Jazz Morning Coffee Shop. We don't know how many we're keeping yet. We're Seal and Jury, thank you for the silver. Sing the Damn Song is such a great name. Dreaming Bees. I got it on all socials years ago. I was just I even owned I even owned singthedamnsong.com and it just points to my Reddit. So if you go to singthedamnsong.com, it just comes to my Reddit. But I have the screen name everywhere. I love it. Tomato, thanks for the wholesome. I got you vibing. Thank you for the 400 upvotes. And I'm awake. That's Donda. Donda, go back to bed. We're doing our photo shoot tonight for their Christmas cards. We're gonna try to get them inside of their custom Christmas stockings that we got. Who just sent me silver? Poor Patsy. Poor Patsy. Thank you for silver. Sorry. Jug City. Thank you for silver. Oh, I can't tell you about the surprise yet. Oh, but something really cool happened too here with Reddit. I'll tell you guys later. I'll be announcing it in the Discord too. And our stream bot is fixed too. So if you want to get notified anytime we go live, just jump on our Discord. But I'm gonna be talking in our Discord later about something really cool that happened. That we got something. I don't know if I should be saying anything about it yet. Actually, I don't think I can say anything about it yet. So I'll ask if I can say something about it. Oh no! If you see General Speech dropping a link, he's one of our mods. That is a legit link. You can click it. It'll take you to our Discord. Oh no! Also, we go live every day at this time, 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for Coffee and Cats, if you want to hang out with us. What are you doing? He reminds me of my dad during movies. Halfway awake and easily start myself. Yes. How do you know if someone has kittens? By the scratches. No, seriously. I'm all scratched up. Oh, did the cat do that to your hand? Yep. Wait. Oh, yeah. So that's... Hey! Mr. El Capiosh. Thank you for this. Thank you for the gold. I appreciate that. This one's a permanent scar. That one's never going away. I'm gonna have that one forever. I'll take it. Scar. I got a big one on my hand there. That one will probably be like this one. So yeah, I'll take it. I'll gladly have permanent scars for these guys. Yes. Ow! Their nails are so sharp still. Why don't you go see your brother? Go ahead. You wanna go play? Ready? We'll try Snoo Vision. Ready? Oh. Here we go. Snoo Vision. Oh, we got the clippers. We just haven't used them yet. Yeah, we have them. We just haven't done it yet. That's our princess. This is like everybody's favorite. It's the fan fave. This is the only girl. This is Snoo. She looks just like her mama. She got her mama's boots and all the colors, and she is quite the character. She's become quite the meme in our community. Yeah, chaotic idealism. Chaotic, are you in our wait, oh, I already asked you. You should join our Discord. I would love to have are you the one with the owl? I'm losing track of some names here. CJ, thank you for the baby Snoo. She's so pretty. She's so darling. I love... Beautiful AF, thank you for love. Do you hear... Wait, what is that noise? So cute, and I love that they have a room all to themselves. Oh yeah, it's a cat nursery. We converted this whole room to a cat nursery. Mama's up there sleeping. We have our camera there too, so we can always have an eye on it. We do live cat cam updates. You look like a gangster with those scars, man. Cat gangster. Get it, Donda. Those boots were made for jumping. I'm the one with... Oh, the cat named Owl. It's a cat. IGUCB, thank you for silver. Pundit Tony, thank you for helpful. That was Foxy? Hold on. You guys heard that? You did hear that? Meow? Oh, a cat stream. Never saw this before. Reddit, what's up? Oh yeah, it was Foxy. So Foxy was going to the bathroom and then Foxy meowed. But none of them meow. They don't really meow. Frances doesn't even meow. She just chirps, and then like every once in a while she'll kind of do like a tiny meow, but she doesn't really meow. They don't meow, which I love because they haven't they haven't like figured that out. You know, they're not up here meowing all day. Oliver's the only one that meows. He does it outside the door. He like, and he's like, they purr sometimes, like after they wake up fresh from a nap. Foxy does. Mama, Frances, she really does. When I hold her and I pet her, she purrs not a lot. Oliver meows and yowls. Alright, I'm grabbing my coffee. I always neglect my coffee. I really just want my coffee. Look at this. I hardly ever drink it because they're all over me. So, I'm going to have my coffee. I'm going to finish this off. I have a couple things that I need to get done this morning after the broadcast. And I want to make sure I am properly caffeinated. I know you like peppermint tea, General. I need to try that. It feels very holiday. Like, but is there caffeine in it? I need caffeine. Like it's my, hey, what up? Can't stop. Good morning, fam. Can't stop. Where in the world are you? Like where on the planet do you reside? It's not cold now. It's still warm. It was very hot when I first got it. It's herbal, no caffeine. It's like non-alcoholic beer. Great for indigestion and IBS. Okay. Obligatory. Go birds. Yes. Scars are manly, especially if they're from cats. I'll take it. What's up, Julie? What up, fam? Oh. I really feel like we accomplished something today, you guys. I can't remember the last time we had a broadcast where the ratio of down votes to up votes, like look at this, we got 494 up votes and only 2 down votes. Now, mods, I just want to make it clear, I'm not asking for up votes. I'm not trying to encourage that at all. I'm just finding it amazing because people are always like, who downvoted this? And I'm like, what are you talking about? I get like 30 downvotes every broadcast. But it's a ratio. It's a good ratio. You know what I'm saying? But like today, especially, this is like the lowest ratio of downvotes we've ever had. I'm like, yes. Yes, we did it. I honestly had 3 people call me at the same time you started streaming. I prefer my caffeine with bubbles. Diet Dr. Pepper. Diet though, bro? Peppermint milkshake. Oh, that's good. Peppermint coffee mix from Starbucks. Oh, you know what I like from Starbucks? Mint mocha chip frappuccino blended coffee. Right? It tastes like Christmas. It tastes like mint chocolate chip ice cream. It's amazing. I'm boring. I drink normal drip coffee with cream. That's what I'm chaotic. That's what I'm doing. It's chock full of nuts, and I just put creamer and sugar. That's my jam. But I do like the really, really sugary drinks. It's too much. I like when the chat slows down and I can see these conversations like that and actually have conversations. It's nice. When do you think you will turn them loose all over the house? What do you think we'll do? So Subway. So we have a plan for this. So, we still haven't ordered the rafters for the thing. We know what we're going to get, but we have to, like, measure it and stuff. We just haven't had time to do it. And since we aren't releasing them out yet, we figured it was kind of a waste of time to do it right now. Thanks for 500 upvotes. But we leave her alone. They go under my legs right here, and they try to attack. So they're trying to, like, attack her through the crack in my legs. Anyway, so as soon as Mama and Oliver... Well, as soon as Mama's fixed, theoretically, we can see... Stop. Hey. What are you doing? As soon as Mama's fixed, theoretically, we can start. As soon as she's healed, right? You're okay, baby. You're okay. Whoa. What the... What? Since when, Snoo? What was that even? I've never even heard her make that noise. She is... Anyway, we'll do it soon. Hold on. When the doors open, my grumpy baby... Baby. Were you a little grumpy? When you look at her, she's... Well, he's also, like, bothering her tail. I think they were getting after her on her sleep when it was bothering her. When she flipped when somebody... Well, I think somebody from underneath had her or something. I don't think it was me that she was growling at. I think she was grumpy that face. She's so... Beautiful. She has such sass. She was born into such, like, so Frances is a bit more laid back and stuff because, like, she used to, like, have to rough it out there and, like, eat scraps and sleep, like, wet and cold in abandoned houses and stuff like that, whatever, right? And, like, Snoo was born into luxury. Survivor, thanks for the wholesome. She was born into luxury, so, like, she just has this constant, like her face, she just doesn't tolerate stuff. She's just like, Daddy, I need pets now. Daddy, I need food. Daddy, brother is bothering me again. Daddy. Look at... She's so, and this is my little dude. He's my little dude. He's gonna be, so opponent is gonna be the shoulder rider and the, harness. I'm gonna get him harness trained. And he's gonna ride my shoulder and... No, stop biting my hand. No. We don't do that. Hey. Why didn't it work? Everybody always said to make that noise. Daddy, I need salmon. Daddy, I need salmon. Daddy, salmon. Oh yeah, no, Francis is chilling. So good looking. You could get him modeling, right? Oh, you good looking cat, you. Look at you. You're so handsome. Alright, you just are being a little nut today. You're being a little nut today. Yep. Leave your sister alone. Well, if you go ouch, they may respond better. Yeah, somebody said, like, make weird screaming noises. Or like screech noises, and they'll stop thinking they're hurting them. They're hurting you. Snoo is so not amused right now. Cat, we don't know yet. We don't know what we're doing. I don't think realistically we can, but like, we're gonna get them fixed and neutered, spayed, make sure they're all vaccinated or like that, and then, if we have to adopt some out, then so be it. It's life. I have to deal with it. I have to just get over it. Epona looks so thick next. Snoo is so tiny. Is that Rusty? What up, fam? Rusty, what's up, dude? You good? How you feeling today? Rusty's always checking in on me when I'm having a bad day. I appreciate you, bro. Sheldon's just like, hey. A thought, is there a reason why Olivia can't come in the room? Yo, so Jilly, we thought about that. So, in theory, I guess we could just introduce Olivia to all of them now, right? Because there's no risk of anything there. They're vying for your lap. Hey, Resner girl. I'm heading off in a few. I have things I have to get done this morning. Hold on. Ow. Yes, opponent is quite the chunk now. Here we go, bud. Are you ready? Here, come here. Come here. Oh, there you go. There we go. Oh, he's sleeping. He's already sleeping. Look at how big he got. Look at how big he got. That's crazy. You're like a full cat now, dude. That was a big baby. Older and wiser. Thank you for that platinum, homie. Oh, thank you. Bam. Good morning. That's a whole cat right there. Look at you. Everybody says you're so big. You're a tiger now. You're a tiger. So glad I caught this again. Once I get home tonight, I'll get my 2FAs so I can log into Discord on my phone and join. Oh, Phantom Frag. That'd be dope. That's so cool. Definitely do that. So just out of comparison, let me show you, hold on, how tiny Snoo is. Oh, baby. It's okay. I love her. She is such a... That's a cute Francis Jr., right, though? She is such a little Francis Jr. I can't believe she used to be like, she would fit in the palm of my hand. She would fit in the palm of my hand. Oh my God, I love you. Ah, CJ, thanks for the hugs. I love you. You're gonna have such a spoiled life. You're gonna be so spoiled. I love you so much. And they smell so good. I don't know how, but they just smell so good. They just smell like kitten. It's so ugh. Oliver's snip is on December 6th. She's so content. Hold on. Look at her face. Hold up. Smells so good. All right, guys, I'm gonna get here. I'm gonna get out of here. I have things to do, but I love y'all. I think we'll probably we'll probably go live for the photo shoot tonight. For our photo shoot to try to get them all into their Christmas stockings for photo shoots for the Christmas card. And then tomorrow is Francis's getting spayed. So I definitely want to get everybody together again so that just we can all just love on Francis. Actually, hold on. Let me... There you go, baby. There you go, baby. Let's go over and just love on Francis a little bit. Mama, we love you. We love you. We love you, Mama. We love you, Mama. We love you, Mama. Smile more, please. Thanks for helpful. We love you, Mama. Everybody loves you. You're so pretty. You're such a good girl. You're such a good mama. Yeah? Here, ready? Hold on. Hold on, guys. Ah, come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Who's a good mama? Who's a good mama? The baby smell on it for the carrier. Okay, barrier. That's a good idea. Poor mama. God, I'm really worried about tomorrow. I just want that to be over with. I'm absolutely terrified about her getting spayed, and like I just want it to be over with. I don't want her to miss her babies. I don't want her babies to miss her. I don't want her to freak out. I don't want anything to happen to her. I'm so afraid that she might be in heat and like blood like more hemorrhaging, and I just want it to all be over. And her home safe with us, and I'll be happy. Mama, we love you. You made the best babies too. You did, Mama. You made the best babies. We love you. Alright guys, thank you for keeping my head straight with this stuff. I would be an absolute mess. I would be an absolute mess if it wasn't for y'all. The way that y'all have really helped me through this. I love y'all. Thank you so much. I'll be live later with them, and we'll try to do the photo shoot and everything, and make sure that Francis has a very special night. Okay? Love y'all. Love y'all, love y'all, love y'all. Say bye, Snoo, say bye. She is a warrior. She survived out there in Philly on the streets for months with all these babies in her belly, like fighting off possums and raccoons and like other cats and stuff. She's amazing. She's amazing. You're such a good mama. You're such an amazing mama. Snoo, I can't talk to peasants right now. Daddy, they're trying to talk to me. Daddy. Love you guys. Later. Yeah, no food for Francis tomorrow. Yep. After midnight tonight, or like overnight. No food for her. Yep, I know. Thank you guys. We'll see you. See you in the Discord.